This is one of the Ikea's toolboxes that you may buy and they will give you in order to install the furniture in your house. You may have it, but if you do not open it, this is worthless, it's useless. I mean, there is a thought from Tony Gaskins who says that you may give knowledge to people, but you cannot force them to think. Because thinking requires to apply the knowledge and that will change your life. And people, they rather prefer to remain fooled. This is exactly what happens to the most of humanity regarding the Bible and God. You may have the Bible, the toolbox, you may have the knowledge, but you're not willing to think about that, because if you do it, that means that you will need to change your life. And you rather prefer to ignore it, to remain fool, or to deny even the existence of God and whatever it is, because you are comfortable like you are.